I have this fabric left over from Cali Fabrics, and I think I'm about to find something to make with this. I looked through my patterns and I decided to make Simplicity 6042. This is a vintage pattern from 1973. I made view 3, which is the view in the middle. I'm so glad I had enough fabric to make a whole top. It's actually a bodysuit. So it does have ruffles around the sleeves. I think they're hard to see, but yeah, there are ruffles around the sleeve, and then there is one ruffle that goes through the middle here. There is an invisible zipper in the back and a mock turtleneck. I really don't care for the fact that you can see the wrong side of the fabric when the ruffles kind of fly up. I wish the fabric was the same on each side, and I didn't think about that before I sewed it up. I did make one change, and that was to the sleeves. So this is the sleeve pattern, and it was much wider than this on both sides, but I just wanted a straight sleeve instead of it being wide. So I took a sleeve pattern from a bodysuit pattern, folded it in half, and then I also folded this one in half. I lined them up, and then I just trimmed the extra wide area off the side of this sleeve pattern. The reason why the sleeve was so wide is because it called for bias tape at the bottom, and then you were supposed to thread elastic through the bias tape, and then it gave you kind of like a bell sleeve at the hem area. And I just wanted, like I said, a straight sleeve. So I just made that change, and then that was it. Now, if you don't have this pattern, but you want to add ruffles to a bodysuit pattern, you can definitely do it. It's really easy. The front of the ruffle piece matched up with the front notch in the sleeve. The back ruffle piece matched up with the back notch in the back of the sleeve. And so you can easily just make some ruffles, like make a little piece of fabric that will line up, and then stitch it right sides together to the front of your top. And then for the ruffle in the middle, it's just a gathered piece of fabric that goes from side to side, and then the front half of the bodysuit was cut. So you had two pieces here, and then you just take the ruffle and sandwich it in between the two pieces and then stitch it together. So that was how it came together. Not hard, and I really like it. And yeah, you can definitely make something like this if you're interested. It's Saturday morning. I just felt like getting up and getting out of the house, so I'm going to go to a couple of stores and see what I can find. The other day, I was wishing I had some flat shoes, so I was like, let me go look. So if I don't find anything, I'm okay with that, but I just want to browse and see what they have. And then I was thinking about even stopping at Nordstrom Rack, maybe. I can't find the women's shoes. Where are they? Oh, it looks like they have a whole nother section back here. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's so different from when I was in here before. Oh, here's my outfit of the day. I made the top and I made the pants. Look at these. I think they're kind of cute. Yay! I had some luck in there. So I am going to continue shopping, and then I'll show you everything that I picked up towards the end. So once I'm all done, towards the end of my day is what I mean. Excuse me, where can I find the cookie dough that you take home and bake?
Right in here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I can help you find it if you don't know where it's at. I can go ahead and scan it for you. So your total today is going to be $11.98. Thank you. Have a great day. You too.
These brown butter chocolate chip cookies are so stinking good. I've never had these really big ones. The first time I had them was at my mom's house, and they were much smaller, but I didn't see the smaller sizes. So I got the big ones. I'll probably just eat one at a time because they're so big. And I got two so that I can freeze one. So I am so happy to have those. And another thing I like to do is add extra chocolate chips to them. Oh my goodness. They are so good, and the directions are on the back, so it tells you how to bake them, how much to bake them for. Let me see, since these are bigger, how much do you bake these for? Where are the directions? 4 count. Preheat the oven to 335. Place the cookie dough 2 inches apart. Okay, where are the 14 to 16 minutes. Oh wow, okay. Or until baked to golden brown. The 335 though, that's an odd number to bake cookies. I'm used to like 350 or 375 or something like that, but 335 is different. Okay, but yeah, if you ever get a chance to try those, I tore my bag. I highly recommend them. Hey baby Bob, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. I was just checking in to see how everything was going.
Oh, it's going good. I'm just finished getting that edge wash. I'm on my way back to the house right now.
Alright, see you soon.
I got to see you a little bit.
Okay, bye-bye. Ever since we got our carpet clean, we have just been doing like a major overhaul. Like we got a new rug. We've been throwing out things that we realized we have been holding on to for a long time. So we split up today so that I can go shopping and do some things, and then he went to the dump. So I wanted to see how his day was going and how everything was panning out. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop at 2 more stores. I want to get some stuff from Trader Joe's, and there's a grocery store by our house that I like to go to, so I'm gonna stop there, and then my shopping day will be done. I am a little hungry, but I'm thinking I'll just wait until I get home before I eat something. So that's the plan, so hopefully I can stick to it.
Hi, welcome. Are you checking Roblox tonight's rewards?
No thank you.
Alright, what can I get for you?
May I have 1 bean burrito with no cheese and a cup of water, please?
Cup of water?
Yes, please.
Alright.
And that's all.
Okay, any hot or mild sauce?
The hottest one you have?
Okay, and that's all for you?
Yes, that's it.
Does everything look correct on the screen?
Yes.
Should be the bottom right?
$2.79?
Yes.
Oh, yes, it does.
Okay, did you want a random change for students?
Sure.
Thank you so much. I'll go ahead and I'll see you out the window, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I looked ahead and the traffic is bad going home and it's gonna take me a while to get there, so I decided that I better just grab a little something to eat right now instead of waiting. It is 2:12 and I haven't eaten all day. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. I also stopped at Sprouts. I'm gonna show you what I picked up from there. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you too. You're welcome. Okay. So I got a drink so that I can drink something with this burrito. And then if something is pickled flavored, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to want to try it. And they got me. They had some chips displayed in the front and they were pickled flavor, some chips I never have seen before. And I was like, okay, I'm curious. So let me show you what I picked up. They also had these cute bags for 25 cents. I'm driving my husband's car and he didn't have any bags in here, so I was like, okay, I'll take a bag and I can use this over and over. It's really nice. But these are the chips, Nantucket chips, and it says that they're, I don't even know, Polpis, P-O-L-P-I-S pickle. I was like, oh man, you would have to put that in the front. You know I'm gonna get that. So I got that, and then the drink that I got is the one I usually get all the time. And I had to put my cookie dough in the trunk because the sun was beaming down on it. And I didn't want the chocolate to melt or the cookies to get too warm. And what I love about the cookies also is that you can bake them straight from frozen. You don't even have to thaw them out first. That's just too convenient, boy. Too convenient to eat some chocolate chip cookies. When I came home, I had a box in front of the door. This is something I ordered on eBay. Oh, I can't wait to show you that. Okay, so from Nordstrom, I picked up the boots that I tried on. Here it is, almost summer, and I'm buying boots. I thought these were just simple, but still cute and flat. That's what I wanted, something flat. So I got those. And not to mention, they're very comfortable. They're by the brand Born. So really nice, I thought. And then I just picked up some athletic shoes, some Adidas, black and white Adidas. I really like that these have the brown around the bottom. I think that's a nice contrast. And then there's like this little tan or beige color or cream here at the top with the black. I just liked all that together. So I got that. And then let me open this box from eBay. And it came FedEx too. So that was cool. They wrapped it up really well. Whew. Okay. I actually went on eBay in search of a mug like this. And when I saw this one, I was like, I have to have it. So stinking cute. Can you see that? It's Levi's. It just looks like a pair of denim jeans. So So cute, I thought. So me. This is where it's chipped, but I think that happened during shipping, so I'm okay with that. But yeah, I thought this was so cute, I had to have it. I'm waiting for my husband to come down the stairs. We're making a quick run to Chipotle. You ready?
Yeah.
I love his outfit. He has on some camo pants and a black t-shirt and some black and white shoes. Too cute. And then me, I'm just wearing this jacket that I got actually from Amazon, and it's Sherpa. I love it. It's short. I'll link to it in case you're interested.